Hey everyone, Retired Navy Rob here. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, take a look around. If you like gold currency, you're in the right place. So today I'm expanding out upon my Cuban collection. I got 4 notes from Cuba that I'd like to share with you all today. Without further ado, let me go ahead and change my camera. So we're going to start off with a note from when it was still a Spanish colony, 1879, 10 centavo. Beautiful details on that. From the Banco Española de la Isla Cuba, the Bank of Spain, the island of Cuba. A beautiful note, printed by the American Banknote Company. And the back is just beautiful. I always say, notes with ships and trains you can't beat. Oops. Oh well. No harm, no foul. So next, we move up to when Cuba was independent but this is after the Fidel Castro Revolution. I really like these notes because Cuba does not like letting their money leave their country. Usually they'll replace it with a souvenir note, a tourist note, whatever you want to call it. I really like the fact that we've got these. Now this is Jose Martin. He is a revolutionary from when they were fighting Spain to get their independence. The details on this thing in the background are okay. They're pretty good. Beautiful little carvings and etchings. This is from 1995. Now the back of these are a little different now. Of course, we're in the era of Fidel. So you have the revolutionaries up there. Celebrating that they just overthrew the government. And so the next note features Ernesto Guevara, aka Che. He was an Argentinian communist who fought in a couple different countries, Cuba being one of them. One of Cuba's most recognizable revolutionaries. They call him Che because it's an Argentinian slang word for like buddy, pal, hey. And he was always supposed to be saying Che, Che. So they gave him the nickname. Interesting fella. He actually became a doctor. And it's funny because being a communist and not in support of capitalism, wrote a book and was very capitalistic with that. I digress. And then on the back, you have a revolutionary with the machete. And then finally, I got one more. From 88 to 89 time frame, another 3 peso note featuring Ernesto. This is a replacement note. And now we have star notes. Their notes that are replacement notes start with X. So that XCD, that tells them that it's a replacement note and the serial numbers above it. And then we have the same scene on the back. A little bit more detail to it. All right, so let me go ahead and switch my camera. Okay, so that's all I have. I want to thank you all for watching, supporting the channel. Take a moment, comment, like, subscribe, share it out. You all have a great day. Try to do something nice for someone, and above all, as always, try to do better. You all have a good day, people.
I can imagine no more rewarding a career. And any man who may be asked in this century what he did to make his life worthwhile, I think can respond with a good deal of pride and satisfaction. I served in the United States Navy.